We are happy to represent you our new and the latest version of BarNotes application. Let's start with sign up screen and create a new account, filling in our first, last name, email address and password. For now, let's just skip this social networks connection and try to log out so that we can show you the screen of logging in. Here just filling in our email and password. Wow, seems that we have forgotten our password and try to restore it. Well, now we just have to check our email and new password should be gone there. Here it is. Just fill in any new password. We see that the password has been changed successfully. Well, now we are in the system and let's start it with my bar. Here should be all the content and information, but while we have no content and tips to get here, we have this placeholder no results white screen. We can see our followers and following here. We can create a new drink. Let's try doing this. Just fill in all the cocktail information, some description. As you see, here is autocorrection function. Then fill in all the ingredients. And some description of its preparation. For now, we cannot share with Facebook or Twitter as we have not connected with those social networks. Let's just save it. Here we go, this cocktail is in our bar and we can have a look at its detailed description. We can also edit this cocktail. For example, let's try adding picture. Just a minute to get this update saved and we will have this picture in our bar and in cocktail description as well. Well, here it is. So, if you want to find some more cocktails, we can go to featured. We can see two categories here. For example, let's go to the first one. You can see all the best cocktails created or added by BarNotes. We can also have a look at their descriptions, and if we want, we can add them to our bar. We can see this green flag with the star, which indicates that we already have this cocktail in our bar. We can see it here. Yeah. We can also read some tips about the application and cocktails using. And we can also create a new drink here. Let's go to activity. Oh, okay, let's first go to search, where we can also search for some cocktails. Here we go with all the cocktails that are now in the system. Let's find out one of the most active users and try to find him among people. We can also tap on add more link and show more link and get more results and the new pages of the results for the search. Okay, let's try adding some of those users. Here we can see all the information and the cocktails, and we can start following this user. Now in our activity tab we can see all the cocktails and the news concerning this user. Here we also have this show more link, which can help us with paging. Pulling the page down, we can refresh the activities. Well, let's try finding friends, connecting with some social networks. Here we can connect our BarNotes account with Twitter. Let's try doing that. Well, now we can see here the list of users who also are logged to our BarNotes application, and we can also follow them if we want. Let's try connecting with Facebook. Or search within BarNotes. Here we have no results as we have no friends yet. But we can invite our friends. For example, send them invitation to their email. Well, let's go back to my bar. Here we see that the user picture was updated and automatically taken from our Facebook and Twitter account, so it makes us easier. But we can change it in our settings and choose any from the saved pictures. Just waiting for it to update, and here it is. Okay, now we have one person who we follow. We can see all of his cocktails, and we can also add them to our bar. Here we go. Now let's go to my bar again. We see all the cocktails from our followers which we have added and from featured in our bar. Let's go to settings. Here we can change our first last name. Again, we can change our password. We can connect to social networks as we have seen earlier, or leave any feedback if we want. Also, we can delete our account. Let's try doing this. Well, now our account is deleted, and it seems that we have it deleted, as you can see it from this screen. Seems that that's all what we wanted to show you. Thank you for your attention. Bye.